The DolceClima units are made in Italy and use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. They have 3-speed fans with auto-swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room but use basic washable filters which do not do much to clean the air. They use single-hose technology, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have automatic condensate disposal, which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, but their guarantee is only about average when compared to other brands. The Fresco series offers units that are Wi-Fi enabled and have a 9.5 EER efficiency, but they are rather loud with a noise rating of 52 decibels. The Air Pro series offers heat pumps with a higher 9.9 ER efficiency, but they do not have Wi-Fi capability, and the Compact series offers basic cool-only units with an 8.47 ER efficiency. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.